Hello and welcome back to Programming Nuts. Today we will do what to do after registration of O level. How to create ID and password for O level. Firstly, after registration, wait for 2 days. You will get an email from NILET in which your registration number will be given. Now come back to the official website by typing NILET and clicking on the first block, that is student.nilet.government.in. Now cut the notification and see on the right hand side after the login there is written new user for registered candidates. Click on the link. Now this is the page for registered candidate verification. As you can see, you have to fill each of the information given here. First select the course, that is O level, that you have opted. There are other courses also given. If you are doing registration for other level, click here. Now we will select O level. Now fill your registration number, that is we have got from the email address. Now you have to fill your name and date of birth, fill CAPTCHA and click on next. Now after clicking next, a new page will open. Here you have to see that your email address and mobile number is correct, because all other information and OTP from NILET will be given on these numbers and on this email address. So ensure that these two information are correct, and after ensuring, click on next. Now here you have to fill OTP that is given on your email address. Wait for a second. If the OTP have not come, it will come soon in a minute or two. Now fill the OTP and click on validate. Now a new page will open. Here you have to create new password. Please enter the new password and confirm the new password and select any of the security questions and answer of the security question and click on finish. You will also get an email regarding your new password and your user ID, but for future reference you can write it down. For any doubt, do contact us on Telegram or Instagram, or you can comment down your query below. So ensure that all the information is given correct and create a password using these methods. Now a new page will open. Here it is written that you have registered successfully. Now you have to go back to your email address and click on the link that is given. If you will try to directly log into your account, it will show a message that you have to validate your account by clicking on the link that is provided on your email address. So go back to your email ID that you have provided, click on the link, and your registration will be successfully completed. If you have not got the email, you can click here resend email and see this is how the email will look like. Here's the link given. You have to click on the link, and as you click, you will be redirected to a page that will look like something this. Now you can log into your page, fill all your detail. Please select the user type as candidate. Fill your user ID and your password. Your user ID is your registration number. Fill the CAPTCHA and click on login. Now this is your dashboard. Here you can come for all the information for your profile. You can log your examination from here. Now you have to verify your mobile number by clicking on this link where it is written please verify your mobile number. Now a OTP is being sent to your registered mobile number that you have provided in the form and you have verified earlier. Enter the OTP and click on validate. Now you can see that you have successfully registered and validate your mobile number. Now you can go to the profile page and lock your examination form. Now the next step is to lock your profile. Without locking your profile, you cannot fill for your examination. So click on the link lock your profile. Here verify all the details. If they are correct, it's okay, and if it's not correct, you will find a button in the last of or at the bottom of the page, update. Click on it and update all the incorrect information or the information you want to change. If there is nothing to update, click on log profile. Your profile will be logged. Now you can come back to your dashboard and you can fill your examination form. Before locking the profile, make sure that all the information is correct, because after this no chance will be given to update any of the information. In the next video, we will tell you how to fill the form for examination, how to select your centers for the examination. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content related to O-Level. Thank you.